This instructional series is split into two parts. Part 1 covers preparation for body composition measurement, and Part 2 demonstrates collecting these measurements. Please watch both videos for a complete understanding. Thank you. In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly measure body composition using a TBF-400 Total Body Composition Analyzer, also known as the Tanita Scale. Start by laying the luggage on a stable, flat surface. This helps prevent any materials from moving or falling as you unpack. Inside, you'll also find the main components. Let's identify them one by one. First, there are two connection ports. One is the AC adapter, and one is the AC cord. These are used to power the scale. Second, a control box. The control box has the display screen and controls that you will use to operate the Tanita scale. And third, the platform that features 4 silver circles. These are electrodes that send a safe electrical signal through the feet for accurate analysis of, for example, body fat percentage. Once everything is unpacked, there should be an AC adapter, AC cord, control box, and the platform, all set out and ready for assembly. The platform is already connected to the control box, so there's no need to attach them. Instead, locate the DC jack. You will grab the AC adapter and plug it into the DC jack on the control box. Then, connect the AC cord to the AC adapter. This will allow the Tanita scale to be plugged into an outlet. Once everything is connected, you can power the device. Before starting, make sure that the individual's average height in centimeters has been calculated. Now, check the Tanita scale. Press the on-off button to power it on. An initial screen should be displayed. Press enter, and the screen will then read, Step on. Now that the Tanita scale is verified to be working, turn it off. Check to make sure there is enough thermal paper in the printer. Push the handle on the left side of the controller, open the printer cover, and remove the empty roll to insert a new one. Thermal paper is used to print individual results and is essential for documentation and record keeping. Locate the box of thermal paper and select a new roll. A new roll is all white on the edge, while an old roll will have a pink or red stripe along the side. This is designed to let you know that the printer is almost out of paper. Grab the new roll. Peel off the adhesive of the new roll. Then, gently pull out about 4 inches, 10 centimeters of paper. This makes sure that the roll is properly loaded and ready to print results. Close the printer cover securely and tear off any excess paper sticking out so that the printer is ready for use. If the Tanita scale is turned on and thereafter reads open, make sure the printer cover is securely closed. Now it is ready to continue. Once the Tanita scale displays 0.0 kilograms, press enter. When step on appears, the Tanita is ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at chdlab@csun.edu.